Hi, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can visit the Law Stories Academy in Mumbai. So the Law Stories Academy is located in LKS House building on the 6th floor. As you can see, you can enter the building from this entry point over here. It's a big glass building that is located in Sindhi Society Chamber. You can also search for Law Stories Academy on Google Maps. As you can see, we are located right here in Sindhi Society Chamber. Our full address is 6A LKS House. This was the old name, Clan House, next to Acres Club, Sindhi Society Chamber, Mumbai. Please note that the academy is open from Monday to Saturday from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you do wish to come to the academy for a visit, you can call us to inform us beforehand on the number 9899205465. Also, additional information, if you're planning to arrive at the academy using the Mumbai local, the best and nearest station for you would be the Kurla railway station, and it's best to use the east exit. The reason I mention that is because once you get off at Kurla railway station and you take the east exit, you can take an auto directly for 10 minutes and arrive straight to the Law Stories Academy's building, that is LKS House. You do not need to take a left or a right turn at all. Once you drop off at the Kurla station, you take the east exit, and from there you take an auto and you arrive straight all the way to Sindhi Society Chamber at LKS House building, and you can come to the 6th floor to Law Stories Academy. I hope this helps, but if you still have any more questions, you can email to us at info@lawstoriesacademy.com, or you can reach out to us via WhatsApp on the number 9899205465.